this video is about cleaning data in spreadsheet. It's a lot of practice in spreadsheet. Alright, let's do the quiz. Number 1, describe the relationship between a text string and a substring. A text string is the list of attributes at the top of columns within a table. A substring is a single attribute. No. A text string is a row of data within a table. A string is one cell. No. Yes, substring, a smaller subset of that. Number 2, a data analyst uses the counting function to count the number of times a value less than 5 occurs between spreadsheet cells A2 through 800. What's the correct syntax? Right, countive. This one, less than 5. Number 3, to remove the leading, trailing, and repeat spaces in data, let's use the tree. Alright, that's it. Thank you.